Hello kids, how are you? So yes, this is Shipra again with Yellow Class DIY activity. So as we all say, let us learn to fly high with Yellow Class DIY. So today you can see something in front. Yes, can you guess what painting is this? Okay, let me tell you. So this painting is an onion painting. Yes, kids, what I have used, I have taken a full onion and I have cut it. So I have just cut it. So this you can ask your mama to help you out and she can just cut it. There's no need to peel it also. You can simply cut it. We have taken those onions. Just a half onion is good enough, kids. And any big good leaf. Okay. So if any leaf is available, that's good with us. So I have taken onion and I have taken this leaf. I have green color, red color, and to give this, I have my white color. Then we need a sheet, a thick sheet always. When we are doing painting, it's good enough to take a thick sheet. So let me just tell you how we are going to do it. We are going to use very less water and it's quite simple. So let us just start. I am making my this light color, which is by using white and little bit of red color kids. So I'm using basically poster colors. If you have poster colors, that's good. If you have acrylic, that is also good. But we are going to use less water again. So you can see I have taken red and white. And I have just used very less amount of water that too basically for just wetting my brush. Now I have taken this onion, this portion, just dip it here, press it here, and randomly you can put it on the sheet. So you have to randomly put it on the sheet. With less water, your things will come out good. Okay, now I am taking a little bit of more of my red color to give a dark shade to the, or I can even do that. I can just very less amount of red color I can apply on this. So it will have the shade of red like this. So this is because the color on this side was dry. So again, I am. So that's completely fine. If this also happens, you can again put your onion there and you can put your painting like this. Just this is more than enough. Let it dry. If you want to put one more, I can put one more somewhere. Okay, here. So less of water is needed because if the water is more, then your wrinkles will not come. The lines that are available here that you can see here and there, that will not come. That's all kids. What we have done is this much only. Okay. So by chance, if you see that the print is not coming, you can again put your onion there and the print will come. Now, what I'm going to do, I am just going to take this leaf and we are going to apply green color directly on the leaf. So what I will do, I will take a green color and a brush. I have taken my green color. I can take it on my this plate also. Otherwise, I'm taking it directly. Again, kids, what you need to see that we are not going to use too much water, because otherwise our things will not come out that good. Okay, I am just coloring this leaf. I will show you the other technique also. Suppose you are not able to color, then also your things can come out good. Now just press it like this. So any leaf which is available in your house is good. And we are just randomly doing it. Some full leaves, some half leaves. We are not doing it that we have to completely show that the leaf is full. So what I'm doing, the technique which I was showing, because maybe some of you are not comfortable. So with very less of water, you need little more color in this. You dip your leaf like this. Press it nicely. And again, you can just put it like this. So just press it. And your leaf will come out. So this way I am doing a half here. If you feel that you have lot of color, don't apply color again and again, because otherwise then it becomes difficult for it to handle the leaf. So this way again I am doing a half one. Okay, so you can see. Just press it here and you can simply press it like this. So it's little on the onions also, then also it's completely fine, because when we have flowers, we have leaves. So definitely that's not at all a problem, kids. And this is how we are going to do it. I think we have enough leaves now. We will see if we need them. Now what we are going to do with our brush, the green color brush, which should be not very thick also and not very thin also, we'll draw the lines in between. So take care that your brush is not very thick and you can just draw the lines in between. Take little water. So basically this is your leaf and onion painting, you can say. Don't take too much water, kids. Just take little water and you can. So this is, you can just show that the leaf is somewhere coming from inside. And drawing it like this. If you want, we can just put one leaf here. Again, I am doing simply, I am pressing my leaf on this and I am giving a touch to here. So it's fine. Okay. So your onion painting is ready. So you have to take care that less of water is needed. If you will have less water, it will come out very nice. So I hope the instructions were clear, kids. Take a thick sheet, ask your mama or someone who is elder to you to help you to cut the onion. Just cut the half onion and dip it in the color, and you can do a stem painting kind of a thing. So this is our onion painting is ready. And the leaf I have taken, any leaf you can take. So it's time to say bye-bye, kids. Hope you have enjoyed this activity. Do keep it for resting for a few minutes after doing it, because it is little wet. It will take some time to settle down. So we are going to meet soon. It's time to say bye-bye. We are going to meet soon again in our next DIY activity, kids. Bye-bye.